Okay, so a little bit different thing on the bench today. This is it's armor repair. Went to Eric's birthday bash over the weekend. Some of my stuff was just off. Didn't feel right. So, see what we got here. First and simply, the elbow pads in here are horrendously old. They ideally need replaced. Ideally, the whole forearm needs replaced. I do have a set of Hildebrand's hidden arms that I've been working on. The problem is they don't fit the length of my arm, so I'm not quite sure what I need to adjust. Whether I need to take that plate out, move this up, something, I don't know. And these pads are kind of tight, but they're not. It's a fit thing, so I don't know. I just don't know. So this is kind of a side burner thing. Fortunately, yet unfortunately, it looks like practice will be canceled this week because of heat, which gives me some time to get things fixed. So the other thing is my helmet. It feels like my foam is just not quite enough in some places. Like, not that there isn't enough to be protective, there isn't enough for fit. And it's rocking around and shifting on my head too much. I don't know if it's the stuff I put in to keep it in place has shifted, which it looks like it has, which is part of it, but it rocks. Rocks back and forth on my head too much, and it's just dropped a little low. So I think I just need to fit and shimmy some pieces inside. Maybe I have some more of the foam that I can cut the piece, maybe not, and cut it thickness wise in half. Kind of set some pieces in there and see if that helps. So one of the things I'll be working on, this really kind of needs done. Might also have to either punch some more holes in my chin strap from where it's kind of stretched, or just slightly bigger holes. They're kind of small, so I don't know if you guys can see that. They're a little small. Just put like slightly, that way it's easier. That's a fiddly bit. However, a part that is not a fiddly bit, and this is where I've got to make some decisions, that's for sure. Before people go, "Well, you're not making anything." I'm like, no, this is part of maintenance. See that? That is no bueno. And that was 3 of them. And I don't know what broke it. I don't know if it was on me when it broke. It wasn't at practice over the weekend. It also wasn't the strap, because the strap only went over 1 plate, but there's 3. They're straight broken. So I don't know. I mean, reattaching it is easy. It can go on to a farther back or closer up one. That's not a big deal. But it's unlacing all the way back to here and lacing in 3 new ones. So I do have some extras, but these aren't supposed to break. At least not like that. They're supposed to bend, not crack in half. So I don't know. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm working on things. Unfortunately, this has got to be something I work on if I want my armor to fit the way it's supposed to, and then to be able to use it. So, I mean, otherwise it's holding up great. And I do have a plan of making some lighter pauldrons. Not that I don't love these. I mean, because these are fabulous, but they are a little heavy, and for like traveling, I just want something a little different, and I need to do some maintenance work on them too, because like they need the rust treated on it, and some of it's come undone and just needs maintenance. Maintenance is a thing. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. I will see about putting some video together of while I'm working on it, how I do it. These strips are individually laced. Fortunately, this is near the end, so it's not too bad. I just got to come back. It's just a pain, though. I mean, it really is. So, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 laces that need undone. Fortunately, they can lace right back up, but yeah. So, see how it goes. It's just been always something this last week. This is last month. It's just always something. So, all right. Well, hope everybody's having a good day. Talk to you later.